inform you of this new and improved Ice Age Super Refrigerator Box. Not only does it refrigerate, it freezes. This is a piece of junk. Why would you want to use this when you have this? This is superior quality, classic. This, I play kickball with. Now I would like to bring you a known user. He lives in Florida in a very hot place in Tampa, and his icebox stays frozen. Then he tries this. It melts in 10 minutes. Come on down, Adam.
Hello, Mr. Korngold. How are you today?
This is a good friend of mine. Now, what do you think of this?
This is the best icebox I have ever used. I go on picnics in Florida, I go to the pool, and I bring this.
Now, what about this?
I've used this once. Let me tell you something about it. I will never go back to using this after using this.
Thank you, Adam. Have a nice day. Now, you have proof. We have done tests time and time again. And I suppose you would like to see some of this evidence. Well, that's great, because we have some for you. Come on down, stage helper. Thank you.
This goes here from this box, and this was from the Ice Age.
Now you have it, folks. This is the Ice Age, and this is the Scott junk. Now this, you see, is ice from the Ice Age. It stays frozen forever. You can't lose. This, why would you want this when you get this? Thank you.
Thanks.
Now, everybody, we have operators standing by. You can call in your vote, or not your vote. You can't vote. You can't lose. This is the best thing since Cracker Jacks. Call in at 1-800-ICE-AGE. You can have this, kickball, or this. We have people all over the world calling, from Argentina to Alaska, from Connecticut